Now let's understand the practical steps involved in filing of income tax returns. Whether you are a salaried employee, freelancer, YouTuber, influencer, or business owner, following these steps will help you to file your returns accurately and avoid unnecessary notices. Step 1. Collect all your documents before you begin filing. Keep the following documents ready: PAN and Aadhaar, bank account details, Form 16 if you are a salaried employee, Form 26 AS, Annual Information System AS, Taxpayers Information Summary TIS, TDS certificates wherever applicable, details of interest earned from bank, capital gain details, if any business or professional income, record investments and deductions proofs. Having all your documents ready saves time and reduces the chances of error. Step 2. Reconcile your income. The next step is to ensure that all your income has been reported correctly. Compare your record with Form 26 AS. IAS, TIS, check whether all salary, professional receipt, bank interest, dividend, rent, capital gain or any other income have been correctly reflected. If any income is missing, report it voluntarily instead of waiting for a notice to come from the income tax department. Step 3. Choose correct ITR form. Selecting the right ITR form is extremely important. The applicable ITR form depends on the nature of your income, your residential status, whether you have business or professional income, capital gain, foreign assets, or other reporting requirements. Using the wrong form may result in your return becoming defective. Select appropriate tax regime. Before filing, compare both old tax regime and new tax regime. Consider eligible deductions, exemptions, total taxable income, overall tax liability. Choose the regime that results in lower tax liability after proper evaluation. Step 5. Report income under the correct heads. Income should be disclosed under the appropriate category as salary, house property, business income, capital gain, income from other sources. Reporting income under correct head ensures proper computation of tax. Step 6. Claim eligible deductions. Claim only those deductions that you are legally eligible for. For example, investments under eligible provisions, health insurance premium, donations qualifying for deduction, education loan interest, other applicable deductions. Do not make unsupported claims simply to reduce tax. Step 7. Verify tax payment. Check whether TDS has been correctly credited, advance tax has been paid wherever applicable, self-assessment tax has been paid before filing the return. If any balance of tax remains, this ensures that the final tax computation is accurate. Step 8. Review the entire return before clicking Submit. Review every detail carefully to verify PAN, Aadhaar, bank account details, income figures, deductions claimed, taxes paid, refund amount, if any. A few extra minutes of review can prevent months of correspondence later. Step 9. Submit and verify the return. After filing, remember that the process is not complete until the return is verified. You can verify through the prescribed electronic verification method or by any other permitted mode. An unverified return is generally treated as not filed. Step 10. Preserve your records. Finally, keep copies of filed income tax returns, acknowledgements, computation of income tax, payment challans, supporting documents. These records may be useful for future assessments, loan applications, visa processing, or financial verification. So, the practical filing process can be remembered in 10 simple steps. Collection of documents, reconcile the income, choose correct ITR, select tax regime, report income correctly, claiming eligible deductions, verifying tax returns, review of the returns, submit and verify, and lastly, preserve your records. Following these steps will make your income tax filing smoother, more accurate, and fully compliant. That's it. Filing your income tax return is simple. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to Tax Talks by TNC Sridhar for practical tax guidance every week. If you have any question, leave them in the comment box. We'll answer them in our upcoming videos.